3 of those accused were released on bail. Right. The state did not oppose their release on bail.
That is good.
Uthole ibail Louis Liebenberg nalabanye lasolwa nabo labasiphohlongo ecaleni lemkhonyovu emadayimane langakapholishwa.
The first sitting of the National Dialogue will be on the 16th of December.
Umbuso welibambiswano lwavelonke uhlela kubamba inkulumo-mpikiswano kungakapheli lo mnyaka, kepha-ke uqale ngekulungisa emakona lekunyatheleke kuwo.
Kubalulekile nakithi ukuthi size la sizodlala nabo ngoba siprepare i-AFCON.
iBanyana Banyana itawudlala imidlalo lemibili yebungane neNgilandi neDenmark. Shona kanjalo kwelanga lesibili langa sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele tindzaba teSiswati lesitekukhoma la SABC sise Auckland Park eJozi. Khumbula ke mbukeli ukuthi letindzaba tiyatfolakala ku YouTube, X, Facebook na ku SABC Plus. So politiki lebayangenele likhetfo lekutimela kulo likhetfo lolwengcile Louis Liebenberg ubingelele manje lamuhla enkantolo yaseBrongospruit nalabanye labasiphohlongo lasolwa nabo. Liebenberg nemkakhe baboshwe eMpumalanga Gauteng ngalesibili mayelana netinsolo temkhonyovu emadayimane ubungene nemacala lafake ekhatsi kukhwabanisa kushintshisana ngemali lengcolile kweba nelichungechungelo lamanye amacala. Ngekusho kwestatement seMahawks, Liebenberg usola ngekukhwabanisela basisitimali labahlanyela ebhizinisini lemadayimane imali lengo-4 billion emarandi kusukela nga-2019.
Louis Liebenberg ungusomabhizinisi aphindze abe ngusopolitiki. Ekuqaleni kwalomnyaka wangena lokhetho njengalotimele.
I'm a practical person. I'm a mining person. I deal and feed people. 2,600 people I feed every day. I'm creating jobs for the Zamazamas.
INPA ithi inelicala eliqinile.
3 of those accused were released on bail. Right. The state did not oppose their release on bail, simply because they don't have any previous convictions. They are not a flight risk, as the state were able to confirm their addresses. So 2 of the accused were released on 20,000 rand bail. Accused number 8, who is a lawyer, was released on 100,000 rand bail. So after that, the matter was then postponed to 31st of October for bail application, possible bail application of the rest of the accused. However, accused number 1 and accused number 9 indicated that they are not bringing their application on bail. However, they said that should they want to bring their application on bail, they will inform the state. But at this stage, they are not bringing their bail application.
And they want to say I'm an illegal miner. Anybody can come and check me. All my mining permits are legal.
Phambilini Liebenberg waveta ukuthi wahlanganisa imali yemnikelo leyasita mengameli wangaphambilini Jacob Zuma ecaleni lakhe lekushushisa ngasese umshushisi wembuso Advocate Billy Downer kayinenzatheli Karen Mon.
Lisela lamengameli Paul Mashatile lithi lenkulumo-mpikiswano yavelonke letawubanjwa kanye ngeminyaka itawubanjwa mhla til-16 enyangeni yeNgongonye. Umhlangano lokhetsekile wembuso utawubanjwa evikini lelitako tewubonisana ngendlela nendzawo lekutawubanjelwa kuyo lenkulumo-mpikiswano leyacala yamenyetelwa ngumengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ngesikhathi kuvulwa iphalamende ngaKholwane. Inhloso yalenkulumo-mpikiswano kutfola umbono lofanako ngaleli njengoba libuswa ngelibumbano lwavelonke lolufaka ekhatsi emacembu etepolitiki lalishumi.
Lisekela lemengameli welibambe umhlangano etinhlangano tepolitiki letehlukene lapho bebatsengisa tindzaba letitsinza live nokungaboni ngaso linye. Lo mhlangano bohlose kutfola sisombululo ekuphambaneni kwenqubomgomo. Lokunye lukhambe embili oludzaba lomthetho wetemfundo lobitwa ngeBella Bill lusanza kuhlikihlwa ngumengameli Ramaphosa ukuthi ube ngumthetho losebentako. Inhlangano etiphikisa kufuna ukuthi lenye ingcenye lomthetho ubuketwe kabusha eParliament.
One of them is the Bella Act, that we will have a discussion on that, but it's mainly clause 4 and 5 of the act that leaders of other parties felt there are issues there that needs our attention.
Mashatile uphinzwa memetela ukuthi kutawubanjwa inkulumo mpikiswano yavelonke emhlatili 16 ngeNgongoni lekulanga lekubuyisana.
The reason why we will have a special meeting of the cabinet because of the time frames in terms of the proposals. The first sitting of the National Dialogue will be on the 16th of December. That will be the inaugural meeting in terms of the proposal. So we felt the sooner the cabinet discusses the matter, the better. But the real dialogue is proposed for next year.
Lonke uhlobo lenqubomgomo loluphakanyiswa eClearance House lutawumekiswa ebuholeni bembuso welibumbano lwavelonke kude ucubungulwe.
Once the structures dealt with those issues, we'll obviously report to them as leaders how we have resolved them. And in instances where we are not able to resolve them, we'll also inform them that we're not able to. But hopefully we will be able to resolve many of the issues as the clearinghouse for the leaders.
Kuphindwe kwakhulunywa kabanti ngengcungcuthela ye-G20 letawubanjelwa kuleli kulomnyaka lotako njengoba iNingizimu Afrika ngiyo letawuthatha isihlalo sekuhola i-G20 ngenyanga yeNgongoni.
Batali sebende libito lokuthi uhulumende avale tinkampani letikhicita abocishe kufane bemafohlofohlo kulandzela ukuthi bafundzi besikole semabanga laphasi ematsuli enzani bangeniswe esibhedlela iRob Ferreira embombele eMpumalanga kusola ukuthi badle kudla lokunashevu labafundzi ke bacilonga kulesibhedlela.
Bafundzi labang-24 baphutfunyiswe esibhedlela ngemva kokudla amafohlofohlo base baphathwa sisu bahlanda futhi. Belashiwe kwase kuthathwa ticubu tekuhlola imbangela yokugula.
Asikaphathe kahle ngenzaba yebantwana ukuthi badle ama-snacks abesayabagulisa. Ngicabanga ukuthi ukuze kupreventeke ukuthi abantwana bangatholakali badla letinto kufanele singasabaniki le mali yokukhera esikolweni.
Bengisemsebenzini ngathola i-call level ku-mistress ukuthi abantwana badle ama-snacks labathenga kubangala kubo sibali. So kungithuse kakhulu vele wafuna ukuthi ngigijime ngitela iRob singilobuka umntwana nangibona umntwana nami ngive ebuhlungu nake vathi sisibhlungu.
Sesibili ke lesigameko kulesifundza.
Manje imuntu besuthola ukuthi labantwana basesimene esikahle bayithola i-treatment sizomela i-report lezobuya kumnyango wezempilo lozositshela ukuthi kahle kahle yini limbangela yokuthi labantwana basithole bagule kodwa sikucelayo ukuthi siyacela kubazali nakuma members of community njengoba umama uKathy Dlamini shilo ukuthi abazali abacheke ukuthi kakhulu basebenzisana ezikole ukuthi labantwana bethu yini abakudlayo noma basesikoleni noma ngaphandle esikoleni.
Labafundi basesimene lesikahle nyalo kanzi kulindzeleke ukuthi baphume esibhedlela lomuhla Ndzambama.
Njengoba beqhubeka tigameko tebantwana labadla shevu sikubutile kembukele ukuthi ingabe yini lengentiwa ngumtali nobe ummango ukuqinisekisa ukuthi abantwana badla kudla lokuphephile nangumbono wakhe yalandzela.
Ngithi inzima lekumele idlale ngummango noma abatali kwamele bafundise abantwana ukuthi nabathenga kudla kumele ukuthi bakubuye ukuthi ingabe lokudla sekudlule lesikhathi na lokule bakuthengako kuze ukuthi kungabi nibungoti tsite etimpilweni tabo.
Abantwana bangasanikelwa imali abanikelwe incafeteria bachazelwe ukuthi kudla okuthengwe endleleni akukalungi kuzobagulisa bekubabulala.
Abazali bonke kumele bangabaniki abantwana imali leyo kuphatha esikolweni. Babalinde de batye esikolweni kuphele kanjalo and amayiqinisekisa bangaba umntana uyamchazela kokoko bangaba ungakulinge uyothenga kwezishop zabantu bokufika because asaphephanga ngoku so seyingathi into yangamabomu and yenziwa ngabomu lento yokufaka abantwana.
Abazali bengazama ngawo wonke amandla ukuqwashisa izingane zabo ukuthi ziqaphele ukuthenga lokudla osekudlulwe isikhathi noma okungalungile. Kodwa ke ingane xa uthi uhulumeni uyena kumele adlale indima enkulu ukuqinisekiseni ukuthi lokudla kufike emphakathini yethu uma sekufikile bayakuphuculula kuphume.
Lona ke ngumbono mbukeli SABC ngeke thweswa kudiphendvulela ngawo. Komishana wemaphoyisa waseGauteng Jenene Thomi Mthombeni ubonge takhamuti tase-Orlando eSoweto ngelisito nekubeketele kuboshweni kwendvodza lekusola ukuthi ibulele umfana loneminyaka lesithupha. Le ntombazanyana ke igagadlelwe yabulawa kanzi kusola ukuthi lokhu kwendiwe indvodza liyatiwa ke emndenini ngemsombuluko. Takhamuti tase-Orlando betvuka indlwabani tisabisa ngekutigwebela tona umsolwa. Lo msolwa utavela ngalesihlanu enkantolo yamanje eProtea.
Emaphoyisa aqinisekisile ukuthi lo msolo walobusha itole ebusuku uvela kwelase Mozambique. Le ndvodza ibukene nemacala ekugagadlela nekubulala. Lesigameko sishiye takhamuti titfukuthele tiganela unwabo.
No mother has to go through what Amante's mother went through. It was a horrific scene. It was horrible. But as the community has said, we no longer want for, as a landlord, you need to take extra caution in your yard.
I believe if the community didn't stood up, if the community didn't make a point that we're going to fight this, the police were not going to assist us.
Komishana wemaphoyisa eGauteng Lieutenant Jenene Tommy Mthombeni uqinisekisa ukuthi lo msolo aloboshwe ngemva kwekuthi emaphoyisa aphume umkhankaso ukulelive ngalokungemthetho.
There was quite an intensive investigation collaborating with some of the witnesses, and on that score we are confirming as a South African Police Service of the arrest of the suspect for rape and murder of a 6-year-old. Of a concern on this case is that we still have quite a serious challenge with some of the South Africans. They keep on harboring illegal immigrants. I can confirm that this suspect is illegal so in South Africa.
Emaphoyisa athi lo mastandi lobeka cashise lo msolo emkhukhwini losemuva kwendlu yakhe ubukene nelicala lekugcina umumfu lokuleli ngalokungemthetho.
Emaphoyisa atha uyabonakala umthelela wekuthunyelwa kwawo etinzaweni letigcwele emacembu etigebengu temagenge eGauteng kanti avumile ukuthi kuboshwe etigebengu letingetulu kwa 1500 kanti letinye tato titawugwetshwa emacala la ngemashumi lasithupha nemfica kuwo endiwe Eldorado Park nale kungileminye yemiphakathi liyatiwa kakhulu ngebugebengu belidlame lomagenge kutholakele netibhamu letingekho emthethweni emkhankasweni wokulisana nalobugebengu baloluhlobo.
Nanobe takhamuti tase Eldorado Park tithi solo tiphila ngekwesaba njengoba bugebengu bemagenge buchubeka ngemva kokusungulwa kwe-anti-gang unit lesifundza.
Gunshots happening from 8 o'clock till 9 o'clock and people are crying. They're like, we're laying on the floor. What must we do? Where are the police? Why are they not stopping these people from shooting?
Komishana wemaphoyisa eGauteng Lieutenant Jenene Tommy Mthombeni netikhulu temaphoyisa kulesifundza bebakhuluma nebetindzaba estation semaphoyisa eEldorado Park. Kanzi bekuvetwa incubekele embili lebekhona kusukela kwabeka emaphoyisa etindzaweni letigcwele imigulukutfu njengase Westbury, Riverlea nase Eldorado Park.
We know for the fact that this is one of the provinces of which the communities are really affected in terms of crime. In response to these challenges as a province, we are, of course, have put measures in place in terms of stabilization, normalization, and ultimately sustain those affected areas.
Emaphoyisa asebenzisana ne-Operation Vala Umgodi abophe bamfu labangetulu kwa 4700 labemba emandla ngalokungemthetho labangu 3600 bakuleli ngalokungemthetho.
Kuletinye ke nasibiya etitolo iphumelele likhetho iFrelimo eMozambique. Asikamukele mbukele esigabeni sesibili seTindzaba teSiswati na ucatha kungena ukhethe kahle tisekhona hlala nathi. Inhlangano lebusako eMozambique iFrelimo iphumelele likhetho lolusanza kubanjwa mengameli lomusha waleli qembu Daniel Chapo uthethe Tindzaba kuPhilip Nyusi kanzi utawuba ngumengameli wesihlanu lotawubusa kusukela latfola inkululeko nga1975 kusenjalo takhamuti takulela live tivakalise ukuthi isimo siyachubeka nekushuba njengoba liqembu leliphikisako alamukeli lemphumela.
Kuthulile lomuhla kuleliheke bele Mozambique bathi liyavungama liyaphumutela live labo. Imibhikisho eMaputo nakulamanye emadolobha itiphe emandla bathi kusasa kutabe kukubi kakhulu kungahambi lutho.
Sisukuphela amavoto vela umphendulaza ngophumelela ngendlela eright so kaqala lapho umphakathi ulwele ukuthi iphathi le yokudala abasayifuni bafuna le yisha so yona le phathi yakudala le ayifuna ukubanikeza ithuba ukuthi bakhona ukusebenza.
Wonke umuntu uthingisa amele avale amateksi amele avale amele angahambi
then la eResano akuna nomuntu vele uya egoli.
Balandzeli belicembu leliphikisako bathi wonke akabe yingcenye yalombhikisho lolindzeleke ukuthi uthathe emalanga lange-25.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uvakalise ukukhathazeka kwakhe ngetimbi letichubeka emaveni lahlukene emhlaba wonke lesetindluleni imiphefumulo yabantu daphindze dabanga umonakalo. Mengameli bekethula inkulumo yakhe ekugcina yengcungcuthela ye-16 yebaholi bemave langaphasi kwe-BRICS lebanjwele eKazan eRussia.
I do believe that the world cannot just sit by and watch the slaughter of innocent people continuing. South Africa has been unwavering in its support towards all efforts aimed at the establishment of a viable Palestinian state, existing side by side in peace with Israel, within internationally recognized borders based on the 1967 borders, with East Jerusalem as its capital. And this would be in line with all UN resolutions, international law, and internationally agreed parameters. We do call on the international community and the United Nations Security Council to address this spiraling conflict. On our own continent, Africa, Sudan enters its second year of horrific conflict and devastation. This is another conflict that the world seems to have forgotten about.
Kanzget magethetet malil randi lenyukile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye mave. Emdlalo njengoba iqembu lesibili lebanyana liseGqeberha lidlala iCOSAFA, iqembu lelikhulu lebanyana lise-Europe kuyodlala imidlalo lembili yebungani. Ibanyana lidlala nele-Denmark nele-Engilandi emalangeni lambalo latako njengoba yenda emalungiselelo e-Africa Cup of Nations yalabasikati letawubanjelwa eMorocco.
Batheleke Denmark ngolesibili bo-champion base-Afrika ibanyana badlala abantu badlala phesheya kwetulwandle bafake ikhathi Thembi Kgatlana, Hilda Magaya, Linda Motlhalana noColo Cisane batoba ingcenye ibanyana evikini lelitako nakudlala nele-Engilandi. Nozindandi Dlamini uthi batawusebenzisa le midlalo yobungani kulungiselela i-AFCON.
Denmark kuyithimu phezulu kakhulu emhlabeni, so kubalekile nakithi ukuthi size la sizodlala nabo ngoba si preparela i-AFCON. Umusu preparela i-AFCON uyadinga ukuthi udlale nabantu abaphezulu nakuwena ukuthi ukhona ukuzibona ukuthi ungakuphi kuyiphi i-level.
Ibanyana inemlandvo lomuhle ku-Africa Cup of Nations yalabasikati njengoba idlala umqhudelwano amahlandla la-18 yawuphumelela kanye, yahlala endzawoni yesibili amahlandla la-5, kwathi endzawoni yesithathu yahlala amahlandla lamabili. Leli qembu lisevedlana emacembu ase-Europe kwenda emalungiselelo we-AFCON lomnyaka lotako letawubanjelwe eMorocco ngakholwane.
It's preparation for us as a team, so I think it's going to help us going forward to say how do we look in terms of our preparation, in terms of our physique and our tactics and how we play so that we can be ready for AFCON.
Le midlalo isevivinyo kubanyana kusukela ngendzebe yemhlaba yanyakenye lebeyibanjelwe eNew Zealand nase-Australia njengoba itobidlala bo-champion base-Europe England evikini lelitako ngalwesibili. Lo mdlalo utoba senkundleni yetemidlalo i-Coventry Building Society Arena.
Asesishave Mbombela sive ukuthi Sibusiso Mahlalela usiphathele tiphi lethambe embili kuliphume embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Sibuba abafundi besikole semabanga laphansi eMatsulu iYenzani bangeniswe esibhedlela iRob Ferreira eMbombela. Kusola ukuthi badle kudla lokunashevu titsinta kamuva mlingani.
Asivusele Dorane lithimba lakho sivusele nakumbukela ukuthi zoba teSiswati khona ke ekhaya imbala ke sinalo kwentiko letemfundo namhla kuhlele liphuma embedeni njengoba ke tiyanza tehlakalo lapho khona ke bafundzi bangeniswa khona ke esibhedlela ngetisolento ukuthi badle ukudla lokunashevu ehlelweni namuhla sinelitiko letemfundo kulesifundza sempumalanga etulu kwaloko simemeke umtimba lowengamele tona ngetikolo ukuthi ke sitawuva ke ingabeke batali bathini nganati tehlakalo siboleke indlebe emlayele ngesimbi yesithupha kuzomade bensimbi yesikhombisa kumsakado olugwalagwala FM sibonga kakhulu umlingani Nzamba Malehle kwenelisimba lakho.
Asibonga kakhulu Mahlalela Dipuca lapha ke lamuhla asiphize sihlangane futhi kusasa khona la ku SABC 1 dikhona ke delwimi lesixhosa ngensimbi yesikhombisa bese kuthi ngemva kwetitolo sikhona simo selitulo nanto zakhe mathebula.
Asikubukele lesikwamukele kunasi simo selitulo sibonga kakhulu ke kuDora Mabuza kanze ke masibuka sithombe sethu kusihla namuhla likhombisa ke kubalela mawungena ke la ekhathini live ngwalelo muhle njengobona nemoya ubonakala ke ukhona kanze ke likhombisa ke ngibhonya ngemafi kakhulu kade encenyeni esifunza ke la iLimpopo mawubuka ngale ketulo kubophulukwane ngwalelo muhle kanze ke naselangeni la kusasa akhombisa kuba khona ke lawo mafu ngale ketulo esifundeni seLimpopo ohle njalo uya ngale esifundeni sempumalanga njengoba ikhona nemvula elapha kuye ke la 30% kanze ke ngahle kube netbathu enkungu ekseni lekuyinkungu lekhasa pass kanze ke lesinye isixwayiso lesivela kwa South African Weather Service ngahle ke ukucubuka umlilo ngenxa yekushisa lokubonakala ke kukhona mawubuka ke ekhasini live encenyeni esifunza ke la eNorthern Cape ngalo muhle kanze ke masithubeka sikubukela ke la emazinga ekushisa kuthi ke ngabe emenjane elangeni la kusasa masibuka ke la sifunza eGauteng mawubuka ke nzawo lefana no Pretoria lashisa kuleto nzawo letoko nje kwelapha ku 32 kanze ke Johannesburg eCarltonville hleli lapha ku 30 bubuka bo Bronkhorstspruit hleli lapha kuye ke la 31 ngalo muhle kanze ke sifunza iLimpopo linzawo lefana nabo liphalale lishisa likhipha umconversion nje kubelapha ku 35 mabuka eMusina li 37 kanze ke Thoyandom eParabula lihleli lapha ku 35 34 ngalekela eBilabila kuyashisa kuleto nzawo letoko kanze ke sifunza impumalanga nzawo lefana ke lana boSkhukhuza likhombisa ke kushisa uhlele ke embombela nje kubelapha ku 31 mabuka ke eMkhondo lihleli ku 30 kanze ke ngaleke eMiklibek emalahleni likhombisa ke kufuthumala nje kubelapha ku 28 sekunda lapha kuye ke la 29 kanze ke sifunza kwaZulu Natal mabuka nzawo lefana nabo Lady Smith nangale bo Vryhead Ulundi wehle njalo uyangale ku Richards Bay likhombisa ke kuphola kuleto nzawo letoko njengoba ngahle kube netimvula kanze ke mabuka ePort Pietermaritzburg ihleli ku 24 eKokstad lapha ku 20 ulubeke ku 22 kanze ke Port Shepstone nakhona lihleli ku 22 lokusho ukuthi kuleto nzawo letoko likhombisa ke kuphola ngalo muhle Eastern Cape inzawo lefana nabo Nxuba elipholile nangale bo Grafi njengoba ku 25 mabuka Gcebeka hleli lapha ku 21 kanze ke kunemafu la khona leto nzawo letoko ngale kuboxonqe njengoba lapha kuye ke la 21 22 ngaleke la emakhanda kanze ke eWestern Cape unzawo lefana nabo Glen Williams kuyashisa ngolalo muhle mabuka eCape Town likhombisa ke la ukuphola njengoba ku 21 mabuka ngaleke la kubo Mossel Bay hle lapha ku 19 kanze Beaufort West hle lapha kuye la 27 likhombisa ke kufuthumala kuleto tinzawo leteko ngolalo muhle kanze ke la sifunza iNorthern Cape mabuka nzawo lefana ke la nabo Springbok bo Calvin likhombisa ke kufuthumala kanze ke iphumule nehlavi elanga leto nzawo letoko mabuka bo Sutherland hle lapha kuye ke la 25 kanze ke tinzawo lefana nabo DA kuyashisa kuphukule bo Kimberley lapha ku 35 mabuka nzawo lefana nabo Kuruman hle lapha kuye ke la 34 nangale bo Team njengoba ehleli lapha ku 35 kanze ke la sifunza iFree State inzawo lefana nabo Bothaville ehleli lapha ku 34 kuyashisa kuleto nzawo letoko bo Sasolburg ehleli lapha ku 32 kanze ke Kroonstad League 31 nabo nzawo lefana nabo Frankfurt ehleli lapha ku 31 nakubo Welkom ku 32 kuyashisa kuleto tinzawo letoko ngalo muhle kanze ke la esifunza nasi ke la eNorthwest sikhombisa ke kubalela mabuka ke nasi sifunza nasi ngalo muhle mabuka nzawo lefana ke la nabo Rustenburg ihleli lapha kuye ke la 34 wehlele kuPotchefstroom hleli ku 33 kanze ke nzawo letapha ku Blackstop nakhona kuyashisa kuleto nzawo letoko njengoba ehleli lapha kuye ke la nobeke 34 mabuka ku Vryburg wehlele njalo ku Taung League 35 ngalo muhle kungakube ngikuphathele kona busuku abube ngilobuhle